required weekly test. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA weather radio public warning system. Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m.
A test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area.
Residents of the next Florida,
Also a test of the
reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals.
They tested at the same time! They tested at the same time!
Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter
catching
can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order.
This concludes our
Warning alarm phones are activated. Station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach. Warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole.
Your coastal waters forecast.
Station KIH 63 in Orlando. Warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orem.
Or in the evening, then a chance of warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola
And Osceola counties.
Thursday night, northwest winds around 20 knots. Alert. Activated for
Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System. We now return to the regular broadcast program. The Orlando
International Climate.
Yeah, dude!